Horizontal stretches and compressions can be the trickiest transformation that we have because a horizontal direction transformation only affects the x. So in our linear equation, it's only going to affect the x variable. So what we have here is it's going to be a fraction of 1 over the factor times x to do this transformation. So we would pull the slope in front, and then I'll put a 1, and then whatever the factor is will go in the denominator of a fraction when I multiply it to x, and then whatever our y-intercept is going to be, we'll add or subtract it behind. So in A, I have 6x plus 4, and I want to horizontally stretch by a factor of 3. So my slope will go in front, so my 6 will come first, and then I'll put 1 over my factor of 3 for my stretch. The x variable will go behind, so that will complete my parentheses, and then it was a plus 4, so I'll add that remaining 4. So now that horizontal stretch creates a fraction of 1 over 3. So when I multiply the 6 and 1 over 3, that's going to give me a positive 2x. And then I just have my plus 4. So when I horizontally stretched here, it changed the 6x plus 4 into my new g of x function of 2x plus 4. Now horizontal compression is a little different. I still put my slope in front, so my slope of negative 3 in this problem will go in front, and then I have my 1 over my factor. It's just my factor here is a 1/2. So I put the fraction in the denominator, and I still have the x, and then I can add the 5 that was there. So now this creates a crazy looking fraction. What this really is 1 divided by 1/2. Now when I divide a fraction, this goes all the way back to elementary school where we learned those operations, and this was our keep, change, flip, or leave, change, opposite, whichever method you learned. So my 1 would stay, my change is with the division, and that changes to multiplication, and then I flip my fraction of 1/2, so it would become 2 over 1. 2 over the 1 is the same as a positive 2, so I really have 1 times 2, which gives me a 2. So this whole inside crazy fraction just changes to a positive 2. Now this is something that looks more friendly, so I can just multiply the negative 3 in the 2, and that gives me a negative 6x plus 5. So negative 6x plus 5 would be my new g of x function.